This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma Gojo versus SHF Gojo. Let's dive into the core distinctions between these two highly sought-after figures. Figma, known for its dynamic posing and stylized aesthetic, often appeals to collectors who enjoy expressive displays. S.H.Figuarts, on the other hand, typically focuses on anime accuracy and a more realistic sculpt. Understanding these foundational differences is key to deciding which figure best suits your collection and display preferences. When it comes to articulation, both figures offer impressive flexibility, but with different approaches. Figma Gojo often features a slightly more robust joint system, allowing for extreme, almost exaggerated poses, with over 20 points of articulation. SHF Gojo typically prioritizes seamless integration of joints for a cleaner look, often with around 18 to 20 points, aiming for natural, anime-accurate movement. Your preference for dynamic versus realistic posing will heavily influence your choice here. The sculpt and accessories are where these figures truly differentiate themselves. Figma Gojo often boasts a slightly more stylized sculpt, with vibrant paint applications, and typically includes 3 to 4 alternate faces and numerous hand gestures, plus effect parts. SHF Gojo usually aims for a highly accurate, detailed sculpt directly from the source material, often providing a similar number of expressive faces and hands, sometimes with unique effect pieces. Both offer great value in their included extras. Finally, let's talk about value and collector appeal. Both figures typically retail around $100 to $125, though aftermarket prices can vary significantly. Figma often holds its value well due to its unique aesthetic and limited runs. SHF Gojo, with its strong brand recognition and anime accuracy, also maintains good collectability. Ultimately, if you prioritize dynamic, stylized posing, Figma might be for you. If screen accuracy and a more realistic feel are key, then SHF Gojo is likely your best bet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.